Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got some exciting news about the Skoda. They are diving into the electric vehicle market, but that doesn't mean they are leaving behind their trusty petrol powered rides. They have given their smallest SUV, the Kamiq, a makeover to keep up with the new rivals like the Jeep Avenger and the Hyundai Kona. Now, let's just talk about its looks. The Kamiq midlife facelift doesn't change the body much, but it's not got a fresher face. Up front, there's a bigger, more upright grille and a sleeker headlights. They have tweaked the front and rear bumpers too, making the car look even better. Skoda says these changes give the Kamiq a tougher SUV vibe while keeping its urban charm intact. And you can opt for more cool matrix LED headlights if you want. Now, let's just talk about its looks. The Kamiq's midlife facelift doesn't change the body much, but it's got a fresher facelift face. Up front, there's a bigger, more upright grille and sleeker headlights. They have tweaked the front and rear bumpers too, making the car look even better. Skoda says these changes give the Kamiq a tougher SUV vibe while keeping its urban charm intact. And you can opt for cool new matrix LED headlights if you want. If we see towards its rear, out back, you will notice the updated Skoda branding across the tailgate. It's a small change, but it's not to the Kamiq's popularity. It's outsold Skoda's other SUVs in the last couple of years. If we see towards its hood, underneath the Kamiq sticks to a proven platform. It's still using the A0 version of Volkswagen Group MQB platform, which helps it stay competitive in the terms of price. The engines are familiar too. You have got a 1 liter 3-cylinder and either 94 bhp or 114 bhp and 1.5 liter 4-cylinder with 148 bhp for the upper end models. Don't worry, the Kamiq's driving experience remains solid. If we talk about its interior, inside there's a cooler tech too. All Kamiq versions now come with an 8-inch digital instrument panel, and you can upgrade to a larger 10.25-inch screen. The touchscreen in the center is 8.25 inches by default. Out, you can go for a bigger 9.2-inch one with wireless Android Auto and a Apple CarPlay if you are into navigation. If you need to charge your gadgets, the Kamiq's got you covered with the USB-C ports, and you can even upgrade to faster charging and extra ports if you opt for a tech pack. There's a nifty extra USB port in the rear view mirror, perfect for hooking up a dash cam. They have also added cool features like foot gesture control for the power tail and handy smartphone storage pockets in the front seats. Now, let's talk about its options. Skoda hasn't spilled all the beans on the UK specs yet, but the trim level should be pretty similar to what they have now. You have got the entry level SE, the popular SEL in the middle, and the sporty Monte Carlo at the top, with some sleek design accents and wheel choices. The refreshed Kamiq should hit the market in the early 2024, and you can expect prices to start at around 23,000 euros. So finally, there you have it. Skoda's given the Kamiq a snazzy update to keep with the competition. With its fresh look, tech upgrades and practical features, it's definitely worth keeping an eye out for when it hits the road nearly about next year. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates. Catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, ride safe.